Okay, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Today we'll continue the integrating factors, how to find integrating factor for the non-exact differential equations. First, I am taking one problem. The integrating factor of x square plus y square plus x into dx plus xy into dy is equal to 0 is. Clearly, it is in the form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. So here m is equal to x square plus y square plus x and n is equal to xy. So first to find dou m by dou y value, that is 2y, and dou n by dou x value, that is y. Now clearly it is non-exact differential equation. So it is not homogeneous because it is first degree, x is first degree, here it is second degree. Okay? So we can find the difference of dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. That is 2y minus y, that is equal to y. If you divide with n, here y will be cancelled, x is there. So I am taking 1 by n of dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equal to 1 by xy of dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x value is y. This is equal to 1 by x. It is a function of x. So integrating factor is equal to e to the power of 1 by x dx, that is equal to e to the power of log x, that is equal to x. X is the integrating factor of the given differential equation. Now I am taking another problem from GL. The integrating factor of xy sin xy plus cos xy into y dx plus xy sin xy minus cos xy into x dy is equal to 0 is. So already I told this problem in exact equations. Now we have to remember the value. Okay, you can do this by taking, it takes time. Okay, so I'm writing here m value. This is the m value, this is the n value. Here y is common, here x is common. So integrating factor formula if is equal to 1 upon mx minus ny. So this is equal to 1 divided by, you can multiply here x, so x square y square sin xy plus xy cos xy. First term minus second term x square y square sin xy minus xy cos xy. Here x square sin x y square sin xy will be cancelled. Xy cos xy minus of minus plus xy cos xy become 1 by 2 xy cos xy. Okay, you have to remember this as a formula. Okay, now I am taking another problem from JL. Is also from JL. The integrating, which of the following is not an integrating factor, integrating factor of x dy minus y dx is equal to 0. Okay, G లో వచ్చిందండి, అలాగే AP set లో వచ్చిందండి, AP set లో. Now I'm taking the options here, same options in GL and set A, B, C, D are the options I am taking. Set options. First 1 by x square. Option B 1 by x square plus y square. Option C 1 by xy. 1 by xy. Option D x by y. Which of the following is not an exact equation? Now I am taking first option. Here option A is 1 by x square. 1 by x square means we have to multiply with the 1 by x square the given differential equation. Clearly it is not exact differential equation. Okay, here m equal to minus y and n equal to x, dou m by dou y is minus 1 and dou n by dou x is plus 1. So here I am taking multiplying 1 by x square, so we get x dy minus y dx by x square is equal to 0. Now this is nothing but a formula d of y by x is equal to 0. So we get the general solution y by x is equal to c by integrating. So it is exact equation. This is not right option. Okay. Now I am taking option B. So option B is 1 by x square plus 1 by x square plus y square. So we have to multiply with 1 by x square plus y square, we get x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square is equal to 0. This is nothing but d of tan inverse y by x is equal to 0. This is the formula. So by integration we get tan inverse y by x is equal to c. Okay, this is the general solution. So it is not right option. Now if we multiply, if we take the option C, that is 1 divided by xy. So if we multiply 1 divided by xy, we get x dy minus y dx by xy is equal to 0. So first x will be cancelled, 1 by y into dy, second y will be cancelled, 1 by x into dx is equal to 0. Here m is equal to minus 1 by x, dou m by dou y is equal to 0, and n is equal to 1 by y, dou n by dou x is equal to 0. So it is an exact equation. Okay, no ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయట్లేనండి, డైరెక్ట్ ఏంటి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేసినా సేమ్ వస్తుంది. 1 by y ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఇస్ log y, లేదంటే అలానే చేయండి. log y minus log x is equal to log c. సో y by x is equal to c. డైరెక్ట్ సొల్యూషన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రైట్ ఆప్షన్. సో హియర్ by integration we'll get to log y minus log x is equal to arbitrary constant c, that is y by x is equal to c. Here we get to the general solution, so this is also not right option. So D option is the right option. If we multiply with the x by y, we'll get the given equation is not exact. Okay. So I am taking another problem from set. The general solution, of 4xy dx plus x square plus 1 into dy is equal to 0 is. Already మీకు ఇది నేను ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఇచ్చానండి ప్రాబ్లం. Of course we can do this problem in 2 ways: variable separable method and exact method, non exact method. ఇది వేరియబుల్ సెపరేబుల్ లో ఈజీగా వస్తుందండి, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ లో అయితే లెంథీ అవుతుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ డివైడింగ్ హియర్, we can write this as 4x divided by x square plus 1 into dx plus dy divided by y is equal to 0. Okay. This can be written as 2 times of 2x by x square plus 1 x square plus 1 dx. This is same dy by y is equal to 0. By integration, we get a derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x. Integration of f dash x by f of x formula, that is log x square plus 1. This is log y is equal to arbitrary constant is log c. So this can be written as log x square plus 1 whole square plus log y is equal to arbitrary constant log c. Therefore, x square plus 1 whole square into y is equal to c is the right option. Okay. Now I am taking another problem from DL. Is from DL, very simple problem. The integrating factor of the differential equation y into x square y square plus 2 into dx plus x into 2 minus 2x square y square into dy is equal to 0 is. This is a question from DL. Now we can integrate, we can use the formula here. Here y as common. Here
1 by 3 into x cube y cube, sir.
1 by 3 into x cube y cube is the right option. So integrating factor is equal to 1 by mx minus ny formula. Here m is this value entire and multiply with the x. So we get 1 divided by x cube y cube plus 2xy minus here we are multiplying with y. So 2xy minus 2x cube y cube. Here 2xy will be cancelled. 1 by x cube y cube minus of minus plus. This is equal to 1 by 3x cube y cube is the right option. Okay. Now I am taking another problem from set. An integrating factor set question. An integrating factor for the differential equation y dx plus x square y minus x dy is equal to 0 is. This is the problem. First, I am writing the m value. This y, dou m by dou y value is 1, and n value x square y minus x, dou n by dou x value is 2xy minus 1. Now here y is common, but here we can take x common. X common vastundi kandi. So you can directly use integrating factor, that is equal to 1 by mx minus ny, that is equal to 1 by, this is xy first term minus of this, we are multiplying with the y here, it is x square y square minus xy. So here it is 1 by 2xy minus x square y square. Okay, these are the actually another method, but we have options. I am writing the options, I'm writing the options. First, you could ask that. First, option A is 1 by x. Option B 1 by x square. Option C minus 1 by x, option D minus 1 by x square. ఇవి ఆప్షన్స్. ఈ మెథడ్ లో చేస్తే మనకి ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ వస్తుంది. ఇది కూడా ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టరే, బట్ we don't have that option. So I am taking a difference of these two. I am taking 2xy, that is dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is equal to 2xy minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 2xy minus 2. So this is equal to 2 of xy minus 1. So if you divide with the n, what will get xy minus 1. So I am writing 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Sorry, ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ dou n by dou x, dou m by dou y తీసుకోవాలని లేదు. dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x కూడా కన్సిడర్ చేయొచ్చు. This is equal to 1 by n value is x square y minus x. This is x square y minus x అంటే the difference dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. దీనికి రివర్స్ అవుతుంది అంటే మైనస్ ఆఫ్ 2 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ xy minus 1. ఇక్కడ x కామన్ తీయండి, minus 2 ఉంటుంది న్యూమరేటర్ లో. x కామన్ తీస్తే xy minus 1 ఉంటుంది. Here xy minus 1. xy minus 1 will be cancelled. So we get minus 2 by x. It is a function of x. So integrating factor IF is equal to e to the power of minus 2 by x dx. That is equal to minus 2 log x. That is equal to x power minus 2. That is 1 by x square is the right option. Option B is the right option. Okay. Now I am taking another problem. If mdx, it is also from set. If mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 is not exact. Is not exact. Whose m is equal to 3 by x square minus y by x square plus x. Then n is equal to, okay, n is we have options here. Option A y by x, option B 1 by x square, option C 1 by xy, option D 1 by x plus 2y square. Here we are given m value. Sorry, not exact. Exact is exact. We are given m value. From this we can find dou m by dou y value. That is equal to minus 1 by x square. This is the dou m by dou y. It is exact means we should write the we have dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Now first option A చూద్దామండి. ఇది n అనుకుందాం. n అనుకుంటే dou n by dou x వాల్యూ ఏమొస్తుంది? minus y by x square వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఇది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్ బి చూద్దాం. ఇది n అనుకుంటే dou n by dou x is equal to minus 2 by x cube వస్తుంది. ఇది కూడా కరెక్ట్ కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్ సి తీసుకుందాం. ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్ ఆప్షన్ సి. dou n by dou x. dou n by dou x is equal to here y constant 1 by y constant minus 1 by x square y. ఇది కూడా కరెక్ట్. ఇక మనకు మిగిలింది డి ఆప్షన్. దీన్ని చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. dou n by dou x is equal to minus 1 by x square. 2y square derivative is equal to, okay. Option D is the right option. Okay. Now these are the problems related to exact and non-exact. Okay. Now I am taking another topic, differential equations. Differential equations of first order and but not first degree, ఇక్కడ నుండి కూడా మనకు 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. జిఎల్ డిఎల్ సిఎస్ఆర్ నెట్ అండ్ సెట్ లెవెల్లో అయితే ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ ది డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ అండ్ ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ. ది డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ but not first degree, first degree is, I'm writing directly, dy by dx whole to the power of n plus p1 dy by dx whole to the power of n minus 1 plus p2 dy by dx whole to the power of n minus 2 plus and so on, pn minus 1 dy by dx plus pny is equal to 0, where pny is equal to 0, where p1 p2 up to and so on pn are constants are functions of xy. Now if we replace dy by dx, I'm taking p equal to, let p equal to dy by dx. Sir, any confusion?
No sir.
సార్ కోఎఫిషియన్స్ మార్చండి సార్, ఎందుకంటే అది పి అవుతుంది ఇది పి అవుతుంది కదా, అక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది అట్లని.
p కాదు p1 అండి p2. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం సార్.
a1 a2 అట్లా రాయండి సార్.
ఓకే సార్, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
This is a1 and this is a2 and this is an minus 1 and then this is an minus 1, this is an. Here the coefficients are a1 a2 dash dash an. Okay. So if you take p equal to dy by dx, that is first order derivative. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, అన్ని డెరివేటివ్లలో ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఏమో డిగ్రీ n, ఇక్కడ ఏమో డిగ్రీ n minus 1. కాబట్టి these type of differential equations are called first order but not first degree. So if you take p equal to dy by dx, then the differential equation is of the form p power n plus a1 into p power n minus 1 plus a2 into p power n minus 2 plus and so on an minus 1 into p plus an into y is equal to 0. This is the differential equation. So this type of differential equation can be solved in, or this can be written as, simply we can write this type of differential equations in the form of f of x y p is equal to 0, where p is equal to dy by dx. Simply we can write this as, here we have 3 variables x y p. Okay, so this type of equations can be solved in 4 ways. These equations can be divided into 4 types. First one is equations solvable for p. Equations solvable for p. And second one, equations solvable for y. Equations solvable for y. And third one is equations solvable for x. And fourth one is Clairaut's equation. Okay. I'm giving a brief explanation about these 4 types of equations. I'm not giving details. In details in problems. Okay. First, equations solvable for P. We can solve this type of equations. The given differential equation in the form of f of x, y, p is equal to 0. Should mention p value, that is dy by, sorry, this is p value, that is equal to dy by x. So it may be a polynomial in p. We can factorize in terms of p. Okay, we can do the factorization for p. Then we get some equations of the form p1 minus f of x comma y into some f1 of x comma y into p2 minus some function f2 of x comma y, and so on. Pn minus some function fn of x comma y is equal to 0. Okay, we can solve. I'm sorry, here it is not p1, it is p. It is also p, we can equating to 0 each factor. So for example, if I'm taking p equal p minus f1 of x comma y is equal to 0, so we can write p value, that is dy by dx, that is equal to f1 of x comma y, and separate the variables, and integrating will get a curve in terms of phi 1 of x comma y comma some arbitrary constant c1 is equal to 0. Similarly, if we equating the second term, we'll get another solution of the form phi 2 of x comma y comma c2 is equal to 0, and so on. So the nth solution is phi n of x comma y comma cn is equal to 0. So after integration, taking c1 is equal to c2 is equal to, and so on, cn is equal to c. అన్నిటికీ c సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. c1 ప్లేస్ లో c, c2 ప్లేస్ లో c, అప్ టు అండ్ సో ఆన్, cn ప్లేస్ లో c సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ది జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఈస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ది జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఈస్ ది ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ సొల్యూషన్స్, దట్ ఈస్ phi 1 of xyc into phi 2 of xyc, and so on, phi n of xyc is equal to 0. First we have to factorize and equating 0 to each factor, and replace c1 c2 up to cn by c, and write the product will give the required solution of the given differential equation, which is equations in solvable for p. Now if we take the given equation in the form of, that means second one, equations solvable for y. Okay. Now the given equation in the form of f of x comma y comma p is equal to 0, let it be equation 1, where p equal to dy by dx. If it is easy to write the y value, then this equation is said to be solvable for y. That means if we take, if we write y is equal to some function, I am writing f1 of x comma p, let it be equation number 2. Now after writing y value, we have to differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x, and and write p equal to dy by dx. p is equal to dy by dx. ఇక్కడ మనం y అంటే dy by dx వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ p వాల్యూ రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ అప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ గా ఈక్వేషన్ p f1 of x comma p అంటే in terms of x p only, and that means x dx terms one side and p dp terms on either side. We can do the integration. After completion of the integration, we should write p equal to dy by dx. Again integrate, we'll get the required solution. Okay. Now separate x dx terms dx and p dp terms, and by integration we get a equation. We get a equation of the form some f of x comma capital F of x comma p comma c is equal to 0. Now our target, this is the equation number 3. Now our target to eliminate p and eliminate p from 2 and 3. We get the required solution. Okay, this is the procedure. If it is not easy to eliminate p from 2 and 3, we can write the general solution as the product of equation 2 and equation 3. This is the procedure to solve the equations which are solvable for. I am taking another equations. That means equations solvable for x. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ సేమ్ ఇలానే ఉంటుంది. f of x comma y comma p is equal to 0, where p is equal to dy by dx. Okay, now if we write x is equal to some function f1 of y comma p, let it be equation 1 and this is 2, and differentiate this with respect to y, and write 1 by p is equal to dx by dy. That means dy by dx is equal to p. ఇక్కడ dx by dy వస్తుంది, దాని ప్లేస్ లో p 1 by p సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. సేమ్ ఇంత ముందు లాగానే yp y dy టర్మ్స్ వన్ సైడ్, p dp టర్మ్స్ అనే అదర్ సైడ్ సపరేట్ చేసి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేస్తే we get a function of the form sum f of y comma p comma c is equal to 0. Equation 3 వస్తుంది. Now target eliminate p from 2 and 3. From 2 and 3 we get the required solution. Otherwise we can write the product of 2 and 3 is the required solutions. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనకు ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వబుల్ ఫర్ y నుండి ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వబుల్ ఫర్ x నుండి మనకు క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏం రాలేదండి మనకైతే. Now another important one is Clairaut's equation. It is important. Solvable for p is important and Clairaut's equation important. Okay, sorry, polytechnic lecturers lo adigaru which of the following is the Clairaut's equation. Okay, Clairaut's equation. ఈ Clairaut's equation మనకు OD లో ఉంటుంది as well as PD లో కూడా ఉంటుందండి. Now the equation of the form, I am writing detail here. The equation of the form y is equal to px plus f of p, where p is equal to dy by dx. This equation is called Clairaut's equation. Clairaut's equation. Okay, you have to remember this. Y is equal to px plus f of p. F of p means it is a function of p, where p is first order derivative dy by dx. Now To solve the Claira's equation, first we have to differentiate this equation with respect to x. This is equation 1. So we get the left hand side dy by dx. I'm writing here differentiate. ప్రొసీజర్ చెప్తున్నానండి ఎందుకంటే సింగులర్ సొల్యూషన్ ఎలా వస్తుందో ఇక్కడ మనం తెలుసుకోవాలి. డిఫరెన్షియేట్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 with respect to x, then we get the left hand side is dy by dx, the right hand side is p into x, uv formula p, x derivative 1 plus x into p derivative dp by dx plus f of p derivative f dash of p, again differentiate p with respect to x, we get to dp by dx. Here dy by dx is nothing but p, that is equal to p plus x plus f dash of p, x dash f dash of p into dp by dx plus I'm taking dp by dx is here common. So here we have no terms. So here p will be cancelled. So we get an equation of the form x plus f dash of p into dp by dx is equal to 0. Okay. Here the product is 0, means either one of them is 0. That means either x plus f dash of p equal to 0 or dp by dx is equal to 0. Now, if dp by dx is equal to 0, this implies dp is equal to 0, this implies p is equal to 0, which gives general solution. Okay, just replace p by c in the given equation, we get the general solution. If the equation of the form y is equal to px plus f of p, so the general solution is just replace p by c here. So we get y is equal to cx plus f of c. Okay, directly la undanukondi y equal to px plus f of p unte direct rayachu. Sometimes we need to convert the given equation into Claira's equation. Okay, now Claira's equation rasin tarvata p equal to c raste general solutions. Now we have another term here. Here we have another term, that is if x plus f dash of p is equal to 0, which gives singular solution of the Claira's equation. Okay, ఇక్కడ నుండి మనకు సింగులర్ సొల్యూషన్ వస్తుందండి. ఆల్రెడీ సింగులర్ సొల్యూషన్ మీద మనం ప్రాబ్లం చేసాం. ఓకే, చాలా ప్రాబ్లం చేసాం, ఇంకా కొన్ని కూడా ఇక్కడ చేద్దాం. అక్కడ కవర్ కానీ ఉంటే డిస్కస్. దీస్ ఆర్ ది ప్రొసీజర్స్ to solve equation solvable for p, equation solvable for y, and equation solvable for x, and also Claira's equation. First I am taking one question from Polytechnic lecturers here. The general solution is from PL. The general solution of p square minus 5p, p square minus 5p plus 6 is equal to 0, where p equal to dy by dx is. ఇక్కడ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనే కాదు, క్యూబిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఉండొచ్చు, ఫోర్త్ రూట్ ఈక్వేషన్ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు, ఎలానే ఉండొచ్చు అండి. వీ కెన్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ అవర్ టార్గెట్ టు ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ అండ్ ఎలిమినేట్ ద p value. So we can write the factors here. 2 and 3, -2 and -3 are the factors. So p square minus 2p minus 3p plus 6 is equal to 0. So p of p minus 2 minus 3 of p minus 2 is equal to 0. So here p minus 2 of p minus 3 is equal to 0. Here we have two equations, either if p minus 2 equating to each factor as 0. So p minus 3 is equal to 0. That means p equal to 2. P means dy by dx is equal to 2. Now by separating, we can write dy is equal to 2x. By integration, we 2 dx. I'm sorry. Dy is equal to 2x plus arbitrary constant c. Y minus 2x minus c1 is equal to 0. First curve. And here we have dy by dx is equal to 3. Dy is equal to 3 dx. Y is equal to 3x plus arbitrary constant c. 2. That is y minus 3x minus c2 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write the general solution as product of these values. Therefore, the general solution is y minus 2x minus c1 place lo c rayandi, c2 place lo kuda c rayandi is equal to 0. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. I am taking one question from, it is also from PL, Polytechnic Lecturers, PL. Solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation. Differential equation p square minus 7p plus 12 is equal to 0 where p equal to dy by dx. Okay. Previous problem GL lo kuda adigadu GL and PL. Okay. So 4 problems adigadu the previous la. So here we can write the factors minus 3 minus 4. So we can write, I am writing directly p minus 3 into p minus 4 is equal to 0, p equal to 3 and p equal to 4. That is dy by dx is equal to 3. Here dy by dx is equal to 4. So we can multiply with the dx here. Dy is equal to 3 dx. Y is equal to 3x plus c1, that is y minus 3x minus c1 is equal to 0. First curve. And the second curve here, dy is equal to 4 dx. Y is equal to 4x plus c2, that is y minus 4x minus c2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the general solution is, just write the product of these two, y minus 3x minus c into y minus 4x minus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is the solution. Now I'm giving two problems, one problem from jail. You can do this and put in chat box your answer. If p equal to dy by dx, then the solution of p square minus 2p minus 3 is equal to 0. This jail is. Now you can do the problem and put your answer in chat box. Make it fast. Yes. What are the factors here? 3 and minus 1. Okay, the 3 minus 1 are the factors. Simply factors evaithe unnayo y minus 3x minus c y plus x minus c is equal to 0. Just 3 comma minus 1 factors. 3 minus చేసుకోవాలి, దీని కూడా minus of minus అంటే ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. ఇలా మీరు సింపుల్ గా ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే, నౌ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ another problem. It is from JL and DL also. The general solution, yes, you can do see this problem. The general solution of x square p square plus 3xyp plus 2y square is equal to 0, where p equal to dy by dx is. It is a quadratic equation in P, so we can factor it. Now x square 2y square 2x square y square, that is xy plus 2xy. That those are the factors. So we can write it as I'm writing clearly. X square p square plus xyp plus 2xyp plus 2y square is equal to 0. First I am taking xp as common, xp plus y, first term, and I am taking 2y as common, xp plus y is equal to 0. Okay, so after completion of this problem, I will stop here. Now I am taking xp plus y again common here. Xp plus 2y is equal to 0. So if we equating xp plus y is equal to 0, we get x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. That is dy by y is equal to minus dx by x. That is log y is equal to minus log x plus arbitrary constant c. That is y is equal to c by x. That is xy is equal to c. Or we can write cy. Okay, this is the first curve. Now if we take another curve, if xp plus 2y is equal to 0, so x into dy by dx is equal to minus 2y. So dy by y is equal to minus 2 by x into dx by integration log y is equal to minus 2 into 1 by x integration log x plus arbitrary constant log c. So here y is equal to, this is x power minus 2, and that is c into x power minus 2, nothing but c by x square. So x square y is equal to some ikkada c1 and iskondi c2 anamata. Okay, now we can write the general solution. Therefore the general solution is xy minus c into x square y minus c is equal to 0. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, today I will stop here. If you have any question, you can ask. Sir, next one, y square kada x square y anukunta sir. Sir chudandi. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask.
Sir, I have.
Yes. Adikandi madam.
Sir, starting classes, sir.
Starting
classes lo.
అవును సార్.
ఇక్కడ
Order doubt, sir.
Okay.
Sir, order is equals to number of the arbitrary constants, or order is